My name is Joyce Baker. I teach biology and dual enrollment human biology at Tyner Academy. Rams are responsible and ambitious. Our students are here to learn. They're here to have a sense of family. They're here to enjoy each other's company. We are a very social crew. We support our academics. We are proud of our academic growth. We are proud of our student achievement. We are proud of our athletics. If you have an opportunity to go to a Tyner's, like any athletic event, you will see the spirit. You will hear the spirit from parents. You will hear the spirit from staff. You will hear the spirit from coaching, singing. You get a new batch of children every year. And so it's always a new adventure, a new challenge, a new community to get to know. And so that helps invest me when it comes to teaching strategies, because depending on the group, you need different teaching strategies. Depending on their interests, you need to find different ways to make meaningful connections with their outside world. When we're done at the end of the year with biology, I hope that they have learned some standards. But more importantly, I hope that they have had a spark of curiosity, have found maybe a passion that they, were unrealized at that point. I also hope that they leave knowing that I care about them and that I am proud of them. And I hope that they leave confident and proud of themselves. I teach biology at Tyner Academy. Go Rams!